Hello guys, let me know how many people have made profits today based on yesterday's post-market session. I made around 30,000 of profit purely based on yesterday's price action. I think if you have seen yesterday's video, I have discussed on yesterday's market how it acted, and even I discussed how the market might be moving in today. In there, mainly 2 points you have to note down. When I was saying that if the market in the last half an hour, the market is quite downward direction. If you are seeing, I was telling last 1 hour the market is downward direction. So if there is a gap down or there is a negative sense, wait for the price action. And yesterday's closing prices will be acting as support and resistance levels. These are the two things which I have made a note. And second thing, what I said, the market will be sideways because from last some days the market is seeing very much fall. See, this is what it happened today. The market have opened a very good gap down, and I have waited for a proper price action. What happened? Just see. Yesterday's closing times, I have taken the support and resistance. You see the market have went up to here. Then what happened? You find there is a rejection and the market have come down. How many times it has faced in the same region? See, one, two, three, four, and finally a breakdown. There is a clear price action today. You need not to worry much because it is completely volatile today, and it is completely sideways. Because of that, on the expiry the premiums have decayed so much, and you can have a good profit. That's what I was telling. The expiry, you please wait for a proper price action, then enter the trades. Don't hurry because already the market was trending from long time. If you're seeing, the market entirely is in sideways direction, and you have seen a channel breakout also in the last 15-20 minutes. See here, this is what happened. Yesterday's price range completely, today market is within the channel. I have made nearly 30,000 of profit. It's around 29,000. But see my price action. It is only 1 hour. From 9:30 to 10:30 I have traded. I have taken the proper price action trades, and I have exited the trades nearly 10:45 or sometime so that I can see my personal works. See, I have, if you're seeing the positions, both CE and PE have gone entirely on the rejection notes. First, the market have opened the gap down, and within half an hour time, there is a price upward movement up to where it has moved. Yesterday's point where it has taken a U-turn. Okay, this where I have taken the profits. Again, I have entered the trade. Again, I have taken at the money PE, and I have made some good profits. Then I have exited the trade. But if you are there for a full day trader, you can have a good profit. But as my time constraint, I could not be there for more than 1 hour, so I have to exit the trade. See, this is the pure concept and price action, guys. Completely, it was rage mode, and if you see the channel breakout, if it is a normal time, then you would have get some good profits. But as it an expiry, you will not have much profits because the premiums will be decayed and it will become nearly zero on Thursday evenings by 3:30. So 3:10, you have a channel breakout, and it had gone nearly 300 points up. See, it's a very good scenario if you are getting in other days. But what will be for tomorrow's price action? Here, tomorrow, what you can expect, if the market is opening at the same time, at the same price where it has closed, and it is having a little negative, wait for the price action. For sure, today's whatever resistance places are there, tomorrow it will take the support and it may bounce back because the last whatever the half an hour time you have seen a very good up move in the market. So I expect little price action. You watch for it, and if the market comes near to 30,060 range or 30,160 range, then you can keep your view on the upside direction. As I'm a option seller, always I will try to short either PE or C. But for tomorrow, as there was a breakout, I will wait for the price to come near to this range. And if we see some engulfing candles, I will take the trade in the positive direction. Yep. Hope this information is useful for you people, and I hope you people will play with proper stop losses and have good profits. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.